everyone, welcome to the World According to Jason. Today we are in Jersey City and we've been invited to the backyard and we're here to try out some amazing Filipino food. And because we have so much food to try today, this is part one of a 3-part series. So make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell notification so you can see this epic culinary journey from start to finish. All right, so as I said, we are at the new restaurant, The Backyard, and it just opened about a month and a half ago in Jersey City. And in case you're wondering, this is actually the sister restaurant of Fi'co Filipino Flavorz, which we went to a month or two ago. And I had mentioned that they had a new restaurant coming. Well, it's finally opened and we're here. So the big difference between this place and Fi'co is this is more of a sit down, like a nice atmosphere where if you want to have like weighted service and take a little bit more time eating. Fi'co is kind of like fast casual, where a lot of the dishes are prepared in advance and you go and you just pick what you want. And you know, with the exception of that big family style meal, which needs, you know, half a day to prepare. But they once the restaurant opened, they reached out to us and asked if we would like to come and check it out. And as you know, I am a huge fan of Filipino food. I still have a lot to learn about the cuisine, but today they have a lot of dishes that they're preparing for us. So in a moment we'll have some appetizers arriving and then we'll have some entrees as well to test out. So as soon as the appetizers arrive, we'll be right back. Okay, so the appetizers have arrived. We have 3 different appetizers that we're gonna be trying today. We have the Chicharron Bulaklak, which is, Bulaklak is like a flour. And so this is deep fried fat that is kind of in the shape of a flour. And then we have Octopus Sisig, which looks pretty amazing. And then on my left, your right, would be the Tinapa roll, which is a fried, it's a smoked fish that's put in like a little wonton wrapper that's deep fried. So it looks super delicious. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with the Chicharron Bulaklak. And we have a dipping sauce here that looks like it's a vinegar dipping sauce. Oh, let's rescue this guy. I'm just gonna use my hand. That crisp, crunchy fat, just the juice, oh, it's so, So now let's move over to the Octopus Sisig. It looks like there's some seaweed, pieces of octopus. We got some peppers, some chopped peppers, sliced peppers. Looks like some tomatoes. Let's try it out. Oh, that is delicious. I'm not sure what the sauce is on there. We'll have to ask, but it's very tart. Like I can taste some vinegar. The octopus is super fresh. With octopus, if it's like super rubbery, I have a harder time eating it. And this is definitely not rubbery. This is, you can tell it's fresh and it's expertly prepared. I love the citrus from the sauce in there, and then these peppers add a nice crunch, a nice like just subtle heat. Oh man, they do sisig very, very well. All right, so now we're gonna do a quick palate cleanse. I've got some mango juice here, and let's see how that is. Oh, that is silky. That is so sweet. It's beautiful. I mean, mangoes are my favorite fruit. Nom, 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 nom. I'm happy. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try the Tinapa roll. We're gonna give that a shot. And it also comes with a sauce, looks like a vinegar sauce. I'm gonna try dipping in it. Looks like there might be some garlic in there, I'm not sure, but let's go for it. I love smoked fish. And then when you add like the texture, the crunch from the wrapper, oh man, this is beautiful. That fish is a super clean taste. It's not like a very fishy flavor, so to speak. Very excellent, very, very good. All of these appetizers are amazing, and we were told that they're actually the most popular appetizers at this restaurant right now. So when you get a chance to come down here, try all of them. They're all definitely worth it. All right, folks, so we just tried the appetizers, and because this is such a massive meal that we're gonna be trying today, we're gonna break this out actually into 3 parts. So this is gonna be the end of part 1, which is just the appetizers. So remember, we tried the Tinapa roll, we had the Chicharron Bulaklak, and we also had the Octopus Sisig. So all of those were super phenomenal, and you definitely should try those. At least try one of them if you come here, but I'm voting you try them all. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, and we're gonna be back next week, and we'll show you the entrees that we tried. So if you had fun and you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and hit the bell notification so as soon as new videos pop up, you're gonna be the first to know about them. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.